We're gonna do an unboxing and take a closer look at the Y-3 country in black. Y-3 country? That sounds like a place to go to. But I must say, Y-3, their packaging is spot on. I love it. As soon as you get the box, you have this minimalist paper. It feels very organic and it's protecting the shoebox inside. Here comes the reveal. Dun, 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 dun. There's the Y-3 logo. Now the box is so beautiful. Ooh, look at that. When you open the box, you have some goodies inside. You have this little package with the Y-3 branding. This is your extra set of laces in case you decide to shred them by accident. It says Y-3 is a fusion between sport and fashion. Due to the exclusive design and materials, these shoes are not guaranteed to perform like Adidas athletic shoes. Unique materials are at times used on our products to create distinctive looks. These materials may require special care. Some recommendations include avoiding damp environments, prolonged exposure to sunlight, and other conditions that may stress the materials. The leather on our products is finely crafted with special tanning processes. Please understand that irregularities in the color and grain are usual characteristics of natural skin. Color migration may occur. What they're basically saying is that these are premium luxury shoes and they are not like their Adidas sports shoes. After you get their little tag disclosure, you have these beautiful shoe bags, and you don't just get one, but you get two shoe bags, like one for each individual shoe so they don't bump each other. Like, wow, their attention to detail is really amazing. So you get two shoe bags, a set of shoelaces, and here, even the paper, it's really beautiful. It's got this wax paper, so there it is. Wow. As soon as you open them, take them out of the box, all you smell is that special tanning process that they used and that leather smell. It just smells so premium. Sorry for all the vegans out there. If you don't want to have any real leather, then these are definitely not the shoe for you. After an 8-year hiatus, Y-3 is back with the country edition with laser engraved Yohji Yamamoto signing off on the heel there. There is, a little bit of that subtle 3 stripes. The thing that really stands out the most is the suppleness and softness of this leather. It just feels so soft. And their intention was they wanted to make shoes that fit and have that softness of black leather gloves. So these are going to be like wearing black leather gloves on your feet. I'm not sure if you would wear them at the same time, like black leather gloves on your hands and black leather gloves on your feet. That would be kind of interesting. Maybe you're into that all black leather kind of look. Maybe you wear a black leather jacket as well. Even the inside here, okay, it's really soft and supple, so it just will mold to your feet. It's not going to take very long to break in. As soon as you put these on your feet, it feels like you're wearing a leather glove. The midsole, it's very rugged. It has a little bit of softness just to give a bit of comfort. The bottom outsole is very thick. It's about 5 millimeters thick. The outsole is about 0.5 centimeter thick, so it's going to be quite durable and rugged. But again, as per the disclosure and the fine print, these are not going to be your everyday shoes. These are more of a luxury shoe. Selling at 455 Canadian dollars. They're not very cheap. And is it worth it? I would say if money is no object to you and you love black leather. I mean, like, you love black leather. You love the smell of black leather. You love the touch of black leather. I think that these are going to be the ones for you. They have kind of like that Samba silhouette from Adidas. They're very slick and they're not, you know, overly bulky. Some shoes are just like very chunky looking. These have more of like a sock-like fit to it. It has a very, you know, streamlined silhouette to it. Yeah, it just really feels nice to touch. You could swap out your black dress shoes and maybe wear these. Wear these instead of your black dress shoes for a little bit more of a different casual style, still imbuing luxury from Y-3 in collaboration with the designer Yoji Yamamoto. Perhaps you're thinking of getting these shoes. What do you think about these shoes? Is this a shoe that you would buy? Or do you like their other shoes that Y-3 make? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you love the quality of these shoes and want to improve your quality of life, like this video and consider subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, see you.